Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the unboxing for the June LookFantastic box. And if you are subscribed to my channel, yes, you have realized that, or you have seen that I did not do an unboxing for the May box because I never got the May box. I'm hoping maybe it will arrive. If not, then not. Okay, then I have to write them again and ask, hey, where's my box? I got the June one now. I got it actually yesterday, and you can see how I'm just not excited anymore about this because, like, I love LookFantastic. I already talked about this in my channel updates video and my changes that are coming to the channel. I will link that here so you can watch it. I still love LookFantastic, and I'm happy and very grateful that they ship to my country, but it always takes so long. Sometimes boxes don't arrive at all, like the May one and one before, like February, March, I'm not really sure. Sometimes they don't arrive, and I'm getting a bit sick and tired of it. So I actually got this yesterday, and usually I just film the unboxing right away, but I couldn't be bothered with it. So today, let's unbox this. They have new boxes, because usually you open it here, and now you open it on top. That is a beautiful box. Oh my god. What the hell was that? Hold on. Coupons. I love it. So this is for Ocado, the online supermarket. So I will just show them to you so you can actually get the codes, if you like. And then this is the free contact lens trial. I don't really need it, so I give them to you. And the box itself is beautiful. Look at that. It's a world map. Well, not really a world map, but you know, you have Europe and Asia and a bit of Africa, a bit of South America, a bit of, you know. This is beautiful. This is nice. Travel makes us all storytellers. Okay, so we have the leaflet here, or booklet, or whatever you want to call it. We have the UKL. That is not a nice cover. That is not a nice cover. It's weird. There's a magazine inside the magazine. And then it's yellow inside. Something smells good. I always say that, but something really smells good. So we're gonna open that. Give me a moment. I'm gonna start with this because this is the first thing that I saw. This is the Chorus Chamomile Softening Soap, a glycerin-based mild cleansing soap for face and body. Chamomile extract is known for its emollient and soothing properties, while almond oil conditions the skin and has moisturizing properties. So this is what it looks like. And apparently you either get the chamomile one, you get the pomegranate one, or the olive blossom. Enjoy a refreshing cleanse with this traditional Greek soap bar inspired by historic beauty rituals of Cretan women. Formulated with natural ingredients, elevate your daily cleansing routine with this multi-use soap. This is £5. I would actually open it, but I don't want to open it, so this is nice. This is good to have. Also, it's a nice size. How much is this? 125 grams, or 4.41 ounces. Is it nice bar of soap? Okay, then this SVR Topialis hyaluronic acid irritated eyelids anti-itching soothing cream. So for hypersensitive to irritated eyes, SVR Topialis Palpebral Dry Sensitive Eyelid Cream, whatever. Complements sensitive and itchy eyes with this gentle treatment for dry and easily irritated skin. With clinically proven effectiveness, this French eye cream delivers 24-hour hydration, immediately relieving any discomfort. Created to soothe, reduce redness and irritation, moisturize the delicate eye area, and protect against external aggressors. This eye cream addresses a wide range of concerns. And this is worth £15. This actually comes in handy because my eyes are very sensitive and very easily irritated. And it doesn't smell like anything at all. So I will definitely try that out because I need it, especially with all the allergies out there. This is very small.
That's what she said.
Okay, this is the Bio Effect EGF serum for improved appearance of skin. Apply to face. 3 milliliters. That's not even my pinky finger. This thing here, I don't know if this is the full size of it or not, but this is worth £25. £25. Give skin a new lease of life with a serum from groundbreaking Icelandic brand BioEffect. Using a plant-based replica of EGF, a naturally occurring human protein, the serum acts as an anti-aging treatment by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles whilst boosting radiance. Quick absorbing, the serum deeply moisturizes and rehydrates. 100% vegan, this mask delivers result in under 10 minutes. Doesn't smell like anything at all. But 25 pounds, oh my god. This Bumble and Bumble surf spray, salt spray. Oh, this is for your hair. Okay, hold on. I have to smell this. It smells actually kind of good, but also not. So with this, you either get the surf spray, which I have, or you get the thickening Go Big treatment. And these are worth $2.40. Give your hair a perfectly tousled, beachy look with cold salt spray from Bumble and Bumble. Applied wet or dry, this surf spray adds body and texture to fine hair. Technically, you should put it on damp hair, but I don't care, so it actually smells nice. It smells a bit like chemicals, but also like sun and summer. It's weird to explain, but it's not that, like, if it really helps with volume, with my thin hair, this would be very nice, because, like I said, my hair is very thin, and I would try this out when my hair is a bit damp. Yeah, right now you probably don't see a result, but I would try this out. Filorga Lift Structure Cream, Ultra Lifting Cream. We had something by Filorga before, and as far as I remember, I actually liked it. Not really sure, but I think I did. So, Filorga, okay, let's go. This is worth £9.10. Formulated with active ingredients to deliver visible effects, collagen and hyaluronic acid work together to visibly reduce signs of aging. Created by leading French dermatology clinic, Filorga is focused on creating skincare solutions directly inspired by non-surgical anti-aging procedures. Expect visibly tighter and plumper skin with restored firmness in just 7 days. Granted, this is 7 milliliters, which will probably not be enough for 7 days, but we'll try it out. That smells like something from my childhood. It smells a bit like Play-Doh. Like I said, it probably won't last 7 days. It's such a tiny sample, and I can already see that there's not that much in. But I will try that, of course. Yes, the last product is a peeling mask. You know I love peeling masks. Oh my god. No panic, if skin turns red, it works. Add moisturizer after. What? So this is vegan apparently, and it's by E-Cooking? Food for your skin. That smells weird. I'm gonna try it anyways. Also, it's very fancy. It has a glass jar, and it is 15 milliliters. This is worth £11.10. Maintain skin's youthful appearance with this peeling mask from Danish skincare brand E-Cooking. Utilizing HAAs or AHAs, including lactic I don't even know how to say that. Some acids, okay? This mask buffs away dead skin cells to reveal a radiant and glowing complexion. 100% vegan, this mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. Editor's tip. Due to the concentration of AHAs, this mask should tingle upon application. This means it's working. We'd suggest using this in the evening for best results. Apply for 4 to 6 minutes depending on skin tolerance. Use weekly. So, this tells me, no panic if skin turns red. And the other says, oh yeah, it's supposed to tingle. I'm scared. I'm scared for my face. But for the sake of science, I will do it. I will do a video on it. I will actually, you know what? I will remove this makeup and then I will try this out because I don't have anything else to do. The leaflet here is very beautiful. I actually like this, you know, it goes with the theme. You have the box here, you have the pictures and the camera. Vacation mode, which my vacation is next month, but doesn't matter. Right? So we have a word of Ellie, the beauty editor. What's in the box? The world's best beauty products from different countries and from different, oh my god, continents. J-Beauty, so Japanese beauty, which swap your K-Beauty for J-Beauty. That's a bit harsh. I mean, if you like K-Beauty, then go for K-Beauty. Anyway, travel beauty bag packing list. Oh, that's nice. That is actually very nice. They wrote everything down that you might need. You know, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, micellar water, moisturizer, deodorant, perfume, hair clips, sun cream, BB cream, powder, setting spray, brow gel, lip balm, mascara, eyeliner, eyeshadow, and multi-use makeup brush. That's nice. I will actually keep this. French Pharmacy skincare shelfies, everything from the French brands. Around the world, some tips where you could go to and what to find in those cities. That's it. And the next month we have a sneak peek from LMS Hydro Balance Day Cream. That was it. That was everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're most excited about. I'm kind of excited, but also scared of this peeling mask, which I will try right now. And in case you don't see this video, then this mask failed and it burnt my skin off. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already, and see you next video. Bye. See it. I have no idea who said that. Just open it up so you can. What is it? What's the matter with you? Quick absorbing. This serum deeply moisturizing. Quick. So this is what this one looks like. For irritated eyelids, anti-irritated eyelid. This, you know these bags that you get in posts too. What the hell?